Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have spaghetti with a parsley basil pesto. Alright, as you can see here, I've got a cup of basil and a cup of Italian parsley, and I'm just going to give this a couple of pulses to kind of chop it up a little bit. And this sauce comes together really quick. Like right now, your pasta should be in the water. So, like I said, this thing, you have to have everything ready. It comes together in less than 5 minutes. So, as you can see here, we chopped that down up a little bit. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of pine nuts and 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Pine nuts, I know most recipes don't call you to use the whole bag at once. Just place them in a Tupperware container and put them in the freezer. Keeps them fresh for a long time. Alright, now we're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Okay, I've got the top on the food processor. Give it a few things. Now I'm going to add about a half a cup of olive oil. I'm going to add it into the little cylinder there, you can kind of see. And it'll slowly just drain into the pesto mix. And then you just want to keep the food processor on till everything is emulsified and happy. All right. And our pasta should be getting pretty close to done. Okie dokie. As you can see here, our pasta is done. I did call this spaghetti, but I actually used bucatini. Spaghetti-like. It's a little thicker. I think it does a little bit better. One tip with pasta is make sure that it's a bronze cut pasta. It might cost you a little bit more, but trust me, it makes all the difference in the world. So as you can see here, I've got our pesto mix. Alright, and then you just want to take your tongs and toss the pasta around till all the noodles are coated, and now it's time to serve. Alrighty, as you can see here, we have our pasta in a nice, neat little bowl. And to this, I'm going to add some freshly ground black pepper. Again, these last 2 steps are optional. Then I'm going to add some freshly shaved Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Spaghetti with a parsley basil pesto. Done.